Hey there folks, it's ATW here. Let's take a glance into the future. This is a future radar model that we use. It's fairly accurate but not perfect. So let's take a look at, there is the storm that we're watching west of Calgary. This would be 2 o'clock, which is in an hour. Here is 3 o'clock. Let me just zoom in here to show you where it's saying the storm is going to be located. It looks like it theoretically should pass north of Calgary. Again, these models aren't perfect. And then it continues to track east. This would be 4 o'clock. Here's your 5 o'clock just north of Brooks, looking fairly strong. Here is your 6 o'clock. It continues over towards the base there, and as we get to 7 o'clock it is starting to cross into Saskatchewan. So there are other little cells popping up. We'll do our best to track them accordingly, but let me back up here and show you what we're dealing with again. So here's the storm right now west of Calgary at 1 o'clock. As we move forward, this is 2, this is 3, that would be your 4, that is 5, here is 6, again a few other pop-up cells to the west of the one we were focused on that was heading potentially through the Brooks area. And as we keep going, there is your 7 o'clock, here is your 8 o'clock, and let me just zoom in there to see where these are going, potentially towards the hat. Yeah, it's possible. Again, they're not perfect, these models. And here is your 9 o'clock, and there's still some storm development, mostly pushing into Saskatchewan at that point. Long story short, we'll do our best to track them, and we'll post updates as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.